Let's come over and look at the European indices next. And UK FTSE this morning is holding its pattern for higher. So on Friday we hit this 1764 for the micro 3. I'm looking for a 4-5. All of that gives us a full 5 waves up off the low at 72.20, and then the 2 back before we go much higher in the UK FTSE. The DAX in a similar way is just holding a small 4th here, which I think is the sub-micro 4. The 3 on Friday hit the 123.6. We're holding well above this 764. We're just at the 1.0 here. So while we're over 12,310 in the DAX, this is all just a bit small consolidation before we get the 545. I'm looking for 12,848 area to complete all of the A wave of 3 up off the low that we saw on the 11th of September in the DAX.